Hello my friends, once again, and a new lesson from English Expresso. Our lesson for today is about prepositions: by, in, on, plus transport. Now we have some examples of transport. The first one is a bike. Yes, it's a bike. I always go to the gym by bike. I always go to the gym by bike. Okay, let's guess the second example of transport. What is it? Yes, it's a car. It's a red car. Ali goes to work by car. Ali goes to work by car. The third example is a red bus. Students go to school by bus. Students go to school by bus. Yes, what a lovely bus. The fourth example, we have a train. Yes, some passengers usually travel by train. Some passengers usually travel by train. Let's all of us guess what is it. Yes, a white plane. Once my friend traveled abroad by plane. Once my friend traveled abroad by plane. He was very scared indeed. Yes, what a lovely ship. I'd like to travel by ship. It's my dream in the future. I'd like to travel by ship. Now, let's move to the first rule. What is it? Let's read. We use the preposition by plus transport. Bike, car, bus, train, etc. And this is the rule number 1. But now, let's read the second rule, and we have two important exceptions. We use the preposition in plus a, the, my, plus car and taxi only. On plus a, the, my, plus bicycle, plus public transport like train, plane, etc. And this is rule number 2. Let's move to the last section, and this is very important. We have a comparison between we say and we don't say. Listen carefully. We say by car, but don't say by my car. We say by train. Don't say by the train. We say in my car, but don't say in car. We say on the bus. We don't say on bus. We say on my bicycle, but don't say on bicycle. And this is the end of our story, the end of our video. Thank you very much. Thank you.